Hey YouTube, it's Max Reloaded here, showing you how to make a Minecraft server for 1.3.2 on a Mac. So first of all, you want to go into your internet browser. You want to go into Minecraft website. The page that I'm on will be in the description, so you don't have to worry about it. Where it says Minecraft server.gr, I want you to click that and download it. So you should end up with a file with this file, Minecraft server.gr. You want to create a folder. You want to right click, of course. Create a folder. I'm just going to name mine Minecraft server. Just create a folder. You want to drag and drop your Minecraft server.jar into that folder that you just created. So once that's created, you want to go into text edit. You want to go to format, go to make plain text. You want to right click, and I want you to the code that I just copy and pasted. I already had. This code will be in the description for you to copy and paste into your text edit. So you want to you can do Command S, or you can do File and then Save. Just wait. I'm going to save mine to my desktop. I'm going to name it strart.command. Just name it strart.command like I just said, and save. I saved mine to my desktop like I just said. You want to drag and drop the strart.command into your Minecraft folder that you created before. So you want to just go into that folder, and before you can start it up, you basically have to give it permission to let it start up. So you want to go into terminal for that. You want to type in chmod space a plus x space. You want to drag and drop your strart.command into that. Press enter. You basically just gave the strart.command permission to start up. So once that's done, you should just double click the strart.command. If you get this little thing pop up, just press open, and it should start up. If you see all the files and everything for the server is starting up. It's loading. It wasn't there before, but because you've started up, it's creating a spawn. It's going to take a little while. You might get seeing things that say failed or warning, stuff like that. Just don't worry, it's all part of the process. It's just creating the spawn. Just lay back and just wait. So there it is. It's created the spawn. Now you can just now we know that it works. We can just stop it. So you just type in stop, it will be saving. It just says saving chunks. It just means it's saving the changes that were made to the server. We haven't made any changes, so it doesn't worry. Doesn't mean anything. So you can exit at terminal for now. So now I want to show you Hamachi, and what you're going to use Hamachi for is to make your server run online. So this link will also be in the description. Download Hamachi. You don't have to use Hamachi. You can port forward or use your normal IP. Really, you can use any IP that's on your computer. Just directly to your computer. But I like to use Hamachi because you can be anywhere on any different kind of network, and you'll just have the same IP for Hamachi. It will never change on that computer. You just tick little box that says conditions of use. You're gonna press download now, and install it like any regular Mac app. I'm not going to download it because I've already downloaded it. So you want to, once you've downloaded it, you've installed it, you want to open it up. I've already got one on my dock. You want to go to network, create new network. You want to click on. Don't have to worry about it. Once you've created a network, it's your name. No one else can have it. So don't worry. Oh, someone else might take my name, and my friends will get confused or whatever. It's your name. Once you've got it, you have it. So I'm just gonna name mine Minecraft server command. I'm gonna name mine ABC for my password. Just keep the password simple so your friends, once you tell them, they remember it. So just make the password easy, like ABC or 123. Something really simple. And you just want to press create, and it's creating the network for you. So there we do. You won't have these ones. These are just my personal ones. So once you've created your network, it will come up something like this. You can only have, on the free Hamachi, you can only have 5 players on your server maximum at once. So just be wary of that. So once you've gone to, once you do that, you should be able to go into system properties, but I'll just show you something. If you double click it, you'll probably get a message like this. Probably, just want to prevent that from happening. Sorry. If you can press choose application and you can open it like that, but by choosing application and going to text edit, but that only happens like on one-off thing. You can only choose. You have to keep choosing every time you go into it. So just to prevent that from happening all the time, just right-click it, go to get info. You want to go to open with, and you press, and you want to click other. You should be able to search it in here. If you can't find it like that, just get to your apps or whatever, and just look for it like that. And there we go, text edit. You want to click on text edit, and then press add. So you can exit that. So now you should be able to go into your system properties. So there we go. And what this is, it's basically all the settings of your server. You can change your online mode. So people that have cracked Minecrafts, that have the paid one, they can log on, but they can log on as different names all the time. So just be wary of that. Online mode to true, it's by default, it's already on true. People that they have to have the proper Minecraft to be able to go on if you're going to have it on true. But that just also means that it stops them from going on your server with a different username all the time and griefing in, you don't have any track of it. Where it says server IP, you want to put your Hamachi IP. So for me, I'm going to put 5.44.77.108. And then you want to press Command S to save the changes. You can change, like I said, the online mode, which means people with cracked Minecraft can log on. Game mode, it's set by default for 0, which means survival. 1 means creative. You can change that just by deleting it and press 1. I'm going to leave it to 0. Just, if you make any changes, make sure you press Command S, Where it says level name, that's this, but if you already have like a world made up, you want to put it into here, you get rid of this world, make sure you get rid of this world. And if it has a different name, you want to change it here. You change it to, just say, whatever your world name is that you've dragged and dropped into the folder, and make sure it says it here, so it identifies it as the Minecraft world. But if you don't want to have to, if you forget how to do this, or you don't want to have to worry about it, just name it world, and it's a bit easier that way. Not much hassle. Yeah. So whitelist, if you're not already familiar with it, whitelist means people, not any random can log onto your server. So just say someone gets a hold of your Hamachi details or whatever IP that you put in, they can't just log on. So just say your friend tells another friend that you don't know about or you don't want on your server, you think he's going to grief it or whatever, etc. You put that on, you change that to true, like that, and you press Command S. And what whitelist does, it like I just said, it stops randoms from going on your server. But to put people on your server, if you're gonna have whitelist on, you double click the whitelist page or whatever, and you type in the usernames. Make sure it's exactly right, otherwise the person that you want on your server won't be able to go on. Here is a little message. I'm sure you're pretty familiar with it. Maybe if you're not, it's a little message that just pops up that says like by default it says a Minecraft server, but you can change it to whatever. So when it loads up, it says, oh, you know, so and so's name, server, whatever, you know, whatever that you like. So that pretty much clears it for here. Just save it. Exit out of that, and you should be able to go into Minecraft. Just log into your Minecraft like normal, and like you normally would. You're in the multiplayer, and because I've already got you'd add it. You know, you add it like a normal server with the Hamachi IP. Make sure you give them your username, your network ID, your password, and your Hamachi IP for them to log onto your server, because they'll have to have Hamachi to log onto your server, and for them they'll have to do network and then join an existing server, and you can't join your own Hamachi server. Yeah, by default you're already joined. So that they would type in your network ID and password in there, and then they've joined your Hamachi server. So then they have to add it again. This time they just have to add your Hamachi IP, and then whatever they can name it, whatever. But I've already got mine joined, so I'm not gonna join it because mine lags a bit. I don't want to keep you guys waiting. But if you did everything I said, you should be alright to play on your Minecraft multiplayer server. Bye for now.